Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving on the Southern Coastal Highway. We're driving from Harborview to Yalos. As you can see, this section of the highway is moving along nicely. All four lanes are up and running. But we're going to give you an update on the other sections of the highway. Remember, this highway goes from Kingston to, or from Harborview to Portland. So the section from Kingston to Yalos is complete. Just some minor stuff left to work out. But the other section now, from Yalos to Portland, this is what the advisory or the update is about. The National Works Agency is assuring the public that concerns regarding ongoing infrastructure work in St. Thomas as part of the Southern Coastal Highway Improvement Program initiative are being actively addressed by the agency. Communications Manager Stephen Shaw, in a release, urged residents to exercise patience. Undertakings of this magnitude is a complex process, and we understand the inconvenience experienced by residents. We want to advise the public that the NWA is fully aware of the issues and is actively working to resolve them. Our teams are dedicated to completing the projects with the highest quality standards in the shortest time possible, he said. Shaw noted that despite the challenges, the NWA was making significant progress on road improvements, with a focus on two key sections, Morant Bay Roundabout to Seaforth and the Seaforth to Cedar Valley. The NWA is currently engaged in road repairs and upgrades from the Morant Bay Roundabout to Seaforth. These improvements will contribute to safer and smoother travel for residents and commuters. Road enhancements between Seaforth and Cedar Valley include the installation of box culverts, drainage systems, water lines, fiber optic lines, and retaining walls. This comprehensive approach ensures the longevity and resilience of the road infrastructure. The estimated value of the St. Thomas road work in this section is over $2.7 billion, the release outlined. The NWA acknowledges the importance of open communication and encourages residents to reach out with their specific concerns through the established channels. The agency remains committed to transparency and responsiveness as it works towards completing the Southern Coastal Highway Improvement Project in St. Thomas. Shaw emphasized that the agency's commitment to delivering infrastructure improvements that will benefit the community for years to come. Alright guys, so that's the end of the update. So let us know what you think about this road. This section, job well done. China Harbour Engineering Company actually did this section. The other sections now, they were given to subcontractors, local subcontractors, and most of them have been taken back on China Harbour doing the work. So that's probably one of the reasons for these delays. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the tour. Have a good day.